Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we're at a resident's property on the east side of town looking at some problems in their yard. As you can see, this flowering plum tree has a problem in that it's all growing on one side and the other side has several dead branches on it, and that problem is caused by boars. These boars come from a beetle that lays its eggs in cracks and crevices of the bark, and then the worm that hatches out gets underneath the bark and eats out all the soft tissue. This actually started when the tree was young by sunburn damage caused on this west-facing side. That burned the bark so that it cracked open. Beetles laid its eggs in the cracks. The worms hatched out and started feeding on that tissue underneath the bark. There's basically only two options for this tree. You can try to save it by cutting all of the dead branches off and trying to straighten out the tree to a more upright position by tying it up. Or the other thing is to just remove the tree altogether. You can protect young tree trunks from sunburn damage by using a tree trunk wrap or the Go Natural tree trunk paint. A good systemic insecticide to treat for boars is the Bonide Annual Tree and Shrub Insect Killer. Another problem in this landscape is the Tipu Trees. There's 3 of them located in this yard, and they do have some dieback. They are kind of a borderline tree for this area. These probably got some cold damage from our extremely cold temperatures this last winter. But the biggest problem in all of these trees is that this wooden stake that is tied directly to the trunk needs to be removed. The 2 outer stakes holding it in place with these supports are plenty enough to hold it from blowing over. As you can see, the rest of the landscape here is very beautiful with the blooming roses and bell varieties that we have behind us, and even the Japanese honeysuckle. They all offer great flowers for here, and it makes this yard look very, very attractive. If you're having any problems in your yard and want to make an appointment for a house call, go into your local Star Nursery location, to our website at starnursery.com, or check out our free phone app for your smartphone. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.